Hey, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. Not sure about you guys, but where I'm at here in Minnesota, we are transitioning between seasons. We are transitioning into spring and summer from a fairly easy winter. But my challenge for you today is maybe you're transitioning seasons too. I want you to look at Shooooz. When is the last time you went through your shoes, your family shoes, kids' shoes, what have you? Do they all have pairs? Do you still wear them? Are they worn out? Have they kind of served their purpose for you? Or maybe you just need to transition into more summer shoes and sandals. Let's put those boots away. My challenge for you this week is to collect all the shoes in your house, go through each pair, and let's make those decisions. Are we keeping? Are we donating? Are we discarding because maybe they've served their purpose? And then also take note, do I need to order more shoes? Have my children's feet grown? Should I sell some of the old ones they have? Those are great questions. And really, if we can focus on transitioning those shoes, it's going to make your walking into your house a clutter-free zone, and you are going to appreciate it so much. So take that time. Let's go through shoes. Let me know how it goes for you, and I will see you next week for another Just the Tip.